M.O.P. Laughing Stock.
Person put in show laughing stock. He still collect money. For that side, if we pay 2,000 naira, I swear to God, I leave Baba go perform. See Lagos here now. I still put this show now. Una no care to know who come, who no come, so long as the show is sweet. She can now for that side. They pay to 2,000. They go on the show 11 a.m. When a person day here pay 2 million for table when they come around 10 p.m. Wasted resources. We pay 2,000, we start to laugh from 12 in the afternoon till 12 in the night. Again, the way M.O.P go perform, we know like I go perform again, we punch it. Guy. You know, as a man, you are not entitled to Lamborghini. So this 100 pounds now, you be like Lamborghini to me. You are a boner boy in my life. Alright. I can't say God, I pray to make this protest end for this Kaduna. See, you know one thing about Kano people? There's a slogan in Kano for Hausa. Kode mekazo ampika. It means whatever you come with, we are greater than you in that thing. If you think say you are mad, we are madder than you. When they do that end bad governance, Kano people, their baroton voice no be your normal one. You know here you take alcohol before you get high. For there we are high from sleep. And bad governance. Now their own baroton voice they want two syllabic. And bad governance. They know they run. Now police they run. As they go, and bad governance. Now police control Tiagas. The first one when you front catch them. Pick Tiagas. And now, do you know that one thing I love about Kano people, they don't steal. Kano people will not loot, but they will do something when the president will feel the effect. Now only Kano for the first time saw another country flag. When they call Russia to fight Nigeria. But he said, put him come on. Now wow. And my father said my little comedy. If you see what then they give me now, it go funny. No, we saw one money I did raise my go MC wedding. My father when he how much they pay me to MC wedding, just go and say Sarkin. Really? Now I said daddy, this is how they scope me, say this your work, you go carry your boy along. Go. Hold on, my time remain 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's be serious. Now, you know in this country, anything when they happen, once you reach Maiduguri, shut down. Check up now. See, for Maiduguri, they know they loot like normal people. If they want loot, they will loot the full area, make news there. Like the news go there for too long. Now, as they come outside, end by the governance, end by the governance, end by the governance. Police going to go back, police going to retire to the barrack, retire. You know, I them not be normal audience. Then they go from Niger, Sudan, and other borders. So they just they promote, because they just they notice a crowd there for other states. They say, yeah, nah, this one where other people they gather. Come be like say we no get population. May we end this country, end this country. Now, when they start the loot, you go no say they loot. I get 40 something seconds. Listen. As and bad governors and can notice one line. Say, Kai, that shall go something there we can chop. Them both enter supermarket. Then carry biscuit. One even carry cheese balls. He know to the family and I smell and say, shege, master and daddy. They live there, they enter the next shop, waiting their boutique. Then carry clothes where they go where one even carry female mannequin. Say, yo, and that's some companion. Now I wish they end for there. They enter the next building, waiting their library. As they enter, and bad governance. No one can say, oh, when only books you put for you. And my brother say, Kai, no be book carry me call. Now just the chair and table me I come back. The back chair and table no carry one thing. But I feared when this guy entered the next building for the street, waiting there, hospital lab. This is my final joke now. As they enter inside, they come they notice syringe, medicine, they no understand. One can see one thing will be like shelf, now open now. Carry one bottle, they write on top specimen. See, once they don't re-echo one word, no say they don't know one. Specimen. Now I'm going to Yanira one. You don't see specimen before. Now I'm going to say, specimen. Specimen. I know specimen. I know even who say they do juice. This guy drinks specimen E. Code urine, we get gonorrhea for 2 years. Have a wonderful night. My name is Sarkin, Dariya.
Now, I've done my research and we've all agreed that as a man, whether you get money or you not get money, or just try. Me, you know, they put eye for another man thing. And I've went guess we're going to put you under pressure. I've went a shower. But if you must carry, hear the techniques. As you go club, around 12, not to stand again. They did, yeah. I say, 500,000. I know they argue. After you hear the dance, I will be this. Baby, so how much is it? You say 500,000. Dance come out. Now you argue around share at 12, around 2. Go back, the money go reduce. So, baby. How much is it? You hear the girl. Well, I love your consistency. You left and you came back. I will do 200K. 200K? Dance come out! Now you around 4, go back. So, baby, at that point, you get on the vest. Bros, carry me if you carry me. I'll be Pacific. I bet he bomb me. You guys are like me for us. No answer. Now you send a shower work. And I say how much? You can say, well, 50,000 naira will be fine. 50,000. Dance come on. No give for each other. Around 5:30. Call me the guy. So baby. Now this joke at the so baby, how much? That the guy don't be emotional. Bro, smart tell you. Nobody knows tomorrow. Shower today. If you be president tomorrow, leave until you talk. So say how much? You can say well, just 20,000 naira now. I'll be fine. 20,000. Dance come on, come on. Around 6:30, everybody don't go. Now PRO the pop club. So baby, how much for a night? The girl can say, not be night, they don't come. So how much I'll give you now? No wahala. And I wouldn't really need money again. Carry me go your house. Just give me indomie and egg, man, chop man, go out. Indomie and egg, dance come out.
Waka baby,
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.